Alright gentlemen, so we get a lot of questions at Pete and Pedro about manicures and how to actually care for your nails. The Pete and Pedro manicure kit is amazing. It's got all the tools that you're going to need in order to have amazing hands. It's also got some other bonuses in there for you guys just to be a well-groomed gentleman. Alright, so I want to open this up and actually go through and talk a little bit about each of the products. Step 1 is all about the nails. Alright, after the shower, what I want you to do is clip them. That is what this is for. After that, once they're clipped, you need to smooth them out. And so the file is going to be the next step. Now, when using a file, what I want you to do is not go crazy in one place. You want to follow the contour of your nail and just run that file over top, all right? You don't need to get crazy. This is just meant to smooth the nail after clipping. And after you file, this little tip right there is perfect for getting underneath, right, your nails and just getting all the crap and dead skin out of there, because dead skin will build up underneath your nails. All right, once you handle your nails and they're taken care of, then it's time to move on to the cuticles. Now, we've got a few different cuticle tools in this kit. All right, this right here is the cuticle nipper. So these are the cuticle nippers. All right, as you see, they're slanted right there. They're designed to actually go in and to nip those cuticles. Now, the way that you use this, it's got this little bar. You're going to flip it up, all right? This actually will make it a little bit springy, and that is actually what you're looking for when you use these. You got to be careful. Go slow, because if you don't, you could cut yourself and you can bleed, all right? Just go nice and slow around your nail, nipping and knocking that cuticle off. These two tools are also for your cuticles. This last one right here is actually a cuticle cutter. All right, the way that it works, it's got this little V. Once again, this has to be taken very slowly and you've got to be careful. In my opinion, this tool is a little bit easier to use when it comes to trimming your cuticles. The way that it works, you basically put that little V around your cuticle and just go very slowly and gently around, and this will actually very quickly and easily remove the cuticle. This tool here that looks like a little spatula or shovel is a cuticle pusher. Once you've trimmed your cuticles, or if you're not going to trim your cuticles, this is used to actually push back all that dirt and gunk that kind of builds up. It's really just dead skin, all right? The idea is that you want to make sure that your nail is clean and doesn't have a bunch of nastiness hanging out, all right? This is a great way to clean your nail and to make sure that those cuticles are healthy and looking great. This tool right here with the little sort of like shovel looking thing is actually technically an earwax removal tool. Once again, you got to be very careful with that. And then of course, you're going to have your tweezers. These things are incredible, super high quality stainless steel. They grab very tightly, so they're perfect for plucking. And then of course, you're also getting a pair of scissors, perfect for nose hair. And it all comes in an incredibly soft and supple Pete and Pedro carrying case. Guys, if you have nails, you need this kit.